Choosing the right cane is essential for enhancing mobility and stability, so it's important to ensure it is the correct size and fit for your needs. To determine the ideal cane height, measure from your wrist to the floor while standing straight and ensure your elbow bends comfortably at about a 20-degree angle when holding the cane. If you lack a tape measure, use your height as a rough guide, noting that typical canes are around 36 inches and vary slightly based on your height. If necessary, seek professional assistance for accurate measurement or alternative mobility solutions. When selecting a cane, consider the grip type, tread design, and adjustability features, as well as the cane's length depending on your specific use, whether for balance, support, or sensory assistance. Regularly replace the rubber tip at the bottom of the cane to maintain grip and height, and consult a healthcare provider if you require additional support beyond a cane, such as a walker or wheelchair. Lastly, hold the cane in the hand opposite your impairment for optimal balance.